Hello everyone. Now let's talk about the similarity of dog and baby doge. They actually share the exact same DNA. For similarity, they both grow ridiculously fast. A puppy turns into a massive dog in a blink, just like how baby doge shot up over 1000% right after its lunch. Second, unstoppable energy. Real pups have major swings where they run in wild circles. Baby Doge does the exact same thing. On the charts, it's a high beta token with insane volatility, matching that chaotic puppy energy block for block. Third, they both need shedding and grooming. Real dogs shed for constantly to stay sleek. Baby Doge does this through its autoburn mechanism. It aggressively sheds its own supply, destroying over 51% of the total tokens to keep the ecosystem tight and scarce.